guys, and welcome back to my channel. So the 2024 planner season has finally arrived. I know it's like the time of the year where we all look forward to, and for today I'm going to be doing a flip through of the Hemlock and Oak 2024 Daily Planner. I started using this planner last year. I'm absolutely in love with it. The quality of it is just superior. I don't even really have any other words for it, guys. Like, you will not be disappointed if you do purchase this planner. So, this is what she comes with. I did get the monthly tabs with it. They were free. I think I did like a pre-order, and it does come with the tab ruler. I'll put that to the side there. But let's I just keep wanting to just stare at it. I love this thing, guys. I love this planner. Oh, and just think, this is the 2024. Again, this is a daily planner. They do have a weekly edition, but I pick mine for budgeting. So I do prefer the daily version just for that. Some changes that I did notice right off the bat is they've went down to just 2 of the ribbons instead of 3. I had 3 for my 2023. So just a quick visual change here. So see, we had the 3 ribbons for 2023. We have just 2 for the 2024. I believe, unless there could be one hiding in there, but I believe it's just 2. But I do love this midnight version. This is just gorgeous, and it's so smooth. I believe this one was evergreen. I feel like that was the color. I can't actually really remember. I got green for budget, and for this year I did choose the blue just because of, I'm paying off debt, so it's like a sea of debt. So it doesn't really look like too much changed on there. I believe the print got a little bit bigger on the front. So, like I said, let's get flipping in this. I love their planners. Like, look at the quality of this thing, guys. And it's like all sustainable. I believe majority of it's recycled. Yeah. Yeah, so it's sustainable, local production. It's, I believe, 100% made in Canada. It's shipped in plastic-free packaging. Everything can be recycled. Um, so like I said, it's a beautiful product, and it's environmentally friendly at the same time. Because I know us paper planner people do worry about that every now and then. So, this was just a white page with printed ink, so they did change this. It is a colored page now. And, oh, okay, so they did away with the 2 years. You used to get 2 years pages. So mine would have been 2023, 2024. They go straight into that dashboard page now. And I mean, I don't know. That could be good. It could be good. Again, like, I use mine for a budget planner, guys, so I do doctor it up. Okay, so you got your holidays, important page. I feel like you got more writing room on this one, so they did expand that. And then we go straight into the January 2024 page. I feel like I got more room. Okay, it's not more room. They give you more of these little check boxes. So the check boxes didn't really start until down here in the last one, so they start up here now. So again, you have your full monthly view there. And then of course you got your daily pages. And I just love their daily pages. They are perfect for me. You have a focus box, the intentions for the day. your schedule, which goes from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. And of course, this is your little self-care task for the day, because, you know, like normally we're scheduling, we're always overscheduled. And this is that one little friendly reminder of like, what am I going to do for myself today? That's what this little heart thing's for down here. And of course, like your daily checklist too. So, like I said, this is perfect for my budgeting, because if you haven't seen my budget planner, I do like a little focus of the day, the intentions, financial wise. I keep track of when I spend or when I'm likely to spend, so I know to stay off the phone. I list the bills and stuff up here, and then I just draw a line down here, and it gives me like a little bank ledger. So again, that's like, I know it's pretty minimalistic here, but that's why I like the minimal layout, because it's really easy to adapt this planner to your needs. Maybe you're going to use it as a home planner, so you would have like your task up here, but you could instantly just like draw a line, or like I use like mild liners and stuff. You could use washi tape if you want to get into it, but it could give you separate to-do lists. So like you could have for the home, for work, for the kids, that type of stuff. But as you can see, you get a just a daily page for each of the days. I do love how they keep track of the moon up here in the corner too. So if you're somebody who plans by the moon, this planner is wonderful, because it does give you that friendly reminder of, hey, that moon's about to change, buddy. Like, see, new moon. So that works well for me. But, I mean, yins can see, like, this thing is well built. It's well crafted. The paper is nice, thick, and sturdy. And I'm just going to give you a quick flip here of the month of January. And let's see here. Once you do start writing on it, it does help pressure this down. So it will, actually lay the way you want it to. Let's see, it'll push down for you. Took a while to get used to. And see, then we just go straight into February. So there's not really like any extra pages in here. It is literally just the month and the dailies. But I mean, guys, there's 300 some days in a year. So like I said, this is a meaty little planner. So see, you can see nothing changes. It's minimalistic, very easy to adapt it to what you need. So here we go, the month of March. And again, I'll be putting on my little, what are they called? The months and stuff. So see, we got March. Again, nothing changes. Same thing, guys. No fancy details or anything to push out of the way. It's very easy to get this planner to look the way that you want. So we got April, and I'm not going to make him suffer through every page here. I'm just making sure nothing's sneak attacking us as we go through the planner. So again, still more daily pages, because it is a daily planner. And see, we got the month of May. I also like doing this to my planners too, because it almost seems like it's helping them to wake up. You're activating the spine of the book instead of putting the poor thing in shock. Just a gentle stretch. So, let's see here. Oh, getting to June. Okay, so see, there we go. That's the monthly view for June. Again, just a basic minimal design. And again, this thing is well crafted, guys. These pages are nice and thick. I've yet to have them bleed through on me. No, I don't use like fancy artistic pens or markers on it. For the most part, I've used the Tombow markers. I've used mild liners, the Passion Planner highlighters. And let's see here. I've used a Sharpie, the Sharpie Roller .5. I've used this pen in it, and the Micron one. So both of those have served me well in this planner. So there we go. There's July. And it's like perfectly centered, guys. Perfect. I seriously can't believe that this thing is made out of recycled papers and stuff. It just, I don't know, this paper or this planner in general just seems to have higher quality than what I've seen in other planners that are not. So, oh my god, and I wish you can smell the new planner. I'm waiting for that technology to come in. This thing just smells amazing too. I love it. I love this planner. I'm so happy that I came across this company. So there we go. We got August. And again, I'm just trying to give you a quick flip through here because, I mean, I don't want to bore you by showing you every page because they do look the same. But I know it's scary when you're buying from a planner company that you've never bought before, so I'm just trying to give you a view of what you could expect whenever you do get this. So see, there's September. Seems so far away, but it's only a year away. And like I said, I should be debt-free by this time next year. Hence why I got a blue one this year. It's me taking care of the sea of debt. It's either that or it's going to be blue for my tears because I didn't. I try to stay optimistic, guys. I do. So see, we got October, and it does give you, if there are any other days of like the preceding month, or I believe it's the preceding month, the month before and the month after. It does show those, but they're like grayed out just for those who like to see all of the days. So see, there we go, making it through October. And again, it's just beautiful, guys. I can look at this planner all day. Like, they are just gorgeous. There's November's. Almost there. And like I said, it is a beefy little planner. I've always called it the Bible of my planners just because it does look like a little Bible. It's the same shape. I love this thing. So let's get through November here. And see, we got December. And it does tell you the number of the month that you're on. I don't remember if no, the other one did that. That was in the 2023 edition. And there shouldn't be anything sneaky in here. That's why I'm flipping through just to make sure. But other than that, it's just the first pages. I see they removed those and they made the important page have more writing area. And then they changed these to where they're a colored sheet now. So, oh, and they elongated that. They've done the same quote, but they've elongated it. And again, I know it's recycled paper, guys, but it just has that gorgeous look to it. So, let's see here. I can't wait to set this thing up for my budget next year. Let's see here. I will be putting that one there. And of course, we'll be focusing on January the next time I use this. So let's, and then, okay, from what I understood is that these ribbons are made out of recycled plastic bottles. But I mean, guys, they're gorgeous. I love them, and they always have them where they color code the planner. So since I got midnight, I got the blues. There's a pink one. I want to say it's rosewood. That was gorgeous too. Wisteria purple's always gorgeous. But again, like I said, like, I don't know, I'm like into the dark, deep colors. So, this one again was the midnight version. It's absolutely stunningly gorgeous, guys. I love the little chains or charms that you could put on them. And like I said, for this being made out of recycled materials, it's handcrafted. This is just a gorgeous planner all around, and I'm pretty sure that Jens can see this, but it's a beefy little planner. He's, hard covered. I mean, this thing is going to last all year. It's not going to fall apart like your others. So, I hope that you enjoyed this quick flip through here. Again, I try to keep them as short as possible because I know most of you, if you're like me, you're coming on, you want to see what the item is, what it all entails before you make that purchase. And that's it, guys. That's really the flip through of the 2024 daily. If you have any questions on it, feel free to leave me a comment down below. I'll try to answer as best as I can. And if you are interested in this planner, please feel free to use my link down in the description. I do receive a little bit of a commission. I'm not quite sure how much. It's not a lot, but any little bit helps. So again, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, guys. I do greatly appreciate it. And please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to see more unboxing videos.